In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your playback area on YouTube TV to ensure you're accessing content available in your region. Let's get started. YouTube TV offers live TV and on-demand content, but the availability of certain channels and shows depends on your geographic location. To verify your playback area, start by signing into your YouTube TV account on the web or app. Once logged in, go to the Settings menu by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. From there, select Settings General Playback Area. Here you'll see the address or zip code associated with your account, which determines the content available to you. If you've recently moved or are traveling, you can update your playback area by entering a new address or zip code that matches your current location. Keep in mind that changing your playback area may affect the channels and sports teams available to you, as regional restrictions apply. If you're unsure whether a specific channel or game is available in your area, use the search feature on YouTube TV to check its accessibility. Additionally, if you're traveling, note that YouTube TV allows streaming from anywhere within the U.S., but some local channels may not be accessible outside your home area. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on maximizing your YouTube TV experience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy seamless streaming with the right playback settings. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.